Good afternoon guys! Paalis ako ngayon. Makikita kami ni Ate Maris. Tapos, I guess it's around 1 PM now. First time ko to try mag-vlog tong GoPro Hero 4. So we'll see. Ito yung pathway na dinadaanan ko when I go grocery and to the metro. Ito yun. So ito yung outfit ko. Naka-stripe lang ako to match with my red bags. Ito na kami ng Timaris. Hi! Maghintay kami dito ng bus. Yeah, going to Bulon. No, not yet. So going to sama-sama lang ako kasi dito kasi tour guide ko eh.
Вулиця Садова.
Wow, snap. Ito yung metro nila dito sa Maidan, guys. May metro kami pupunta doon. Hihintay kami ng ng train. Late lunch actually. Ito, patakita ko sa inyo. Ramen, red ramen mine, and ito yung drinks ko. Actually, parang same lang kami ni ate.
Yeah, I'm just taking a picture of
Yeah. Pupunta kami ng Birch ka. Maghahanap kami ng sale hunting. Siguro pag may sale yun, hindi ako pang ragged. Coffee tayo guys. Thank you. Nag-take out kami ng cake. For my dessert kami, what you gonna do with that dessert? Yan yung sa kanya, ito yung sa akin. Chocolate!
This is your...
Thank you. Hi guys! Pauwi na kami. Time check, 8 p.m. Good evening. Pauwi na kami. Pero magbabas na lang kami kasi malapit na lang po sa amin. Magsi-selfie daw muna kayo. Tingnan niyo sa Timaris. Nagsiset up. Bye! Yan guys, pauwi na ako. Apartment namin. So yash! I guess I will end up my vlog for today. Today is actually Sunday and usually lumalabas kami na race during Sunday, day off ng mga OFW. I guess yun lang yung masashare namin for today. Hope you enjoy watching.